I don't know how you guys append signatures to designs like certificates, ID cards, letterhead, and some other documents. Well, I think I have a better way to do it. Fast and easy. Check it out. So here is a certificate I did for a client, and we need to append signatures to these two places, the president and maybe some other signature right here. So they're gonna come here to sign on the screen, or maybe me guide the system there for them to sign. I don't know how you guys do it, but what you just need to do is to get a plain white paper, better unruled one, sign on it, snap it, and send to me. So when I download the picture of the signature, I'm just going to do a few more things to get rid of the background and append it right here. So let's see how we do it. So I'm going to go over to my desktop where I saved the signatures and get it right inside the worksheet. So if it is dark, you can maybe try and increase the brightness. So you can try and increase the brightness. So you can also leave it that way also, because this tool doesn't actually, so this tool is actually effective to crop it even without adjusting anything. So, but in case if it's too dark, you can maybe increase it a little bit. So you're going to crop it so have a smaller image. So we're going to bitmap, then mode, then black and white. Then we're going to make sure that this is on line art. So you come over here and you adjust the threshold. So when you adjust it, you're going to see the adjustment and how it looks like here. So when you get a very smooth outline, you click on OK. So you see a black and white image of the signature. So with that, what you just have to do is to remove the color. So you're going to remove the color of the background. So you're going to click on this X right here. So you click on this X right here and you get rid of the white background. So you right click on any color of your choice and have the color. So like me, I want it to be a blue. So to want it to be a blue, so I right click on blue. So click on the X to remove the background. Click on right click on any color to give it a color. So you can now place it wherever you want and your signature is ready. So like this one also, just crop it, then go over to bitmap and then move over to mode and then select black and white. So we already selected it before, so the adjustment is very good. So you just click OK. So what do you do next? You have to remove the background. Click on this X, remove the background, and then right click on blue to color it blue or any color you want to work. So adjust the size and place it wherever you want it to be, and that is all. So it's real quick and very simple. So but there's another method you can use to achieve this, but this one is not that effective as the other one. So we're making use of the bitmap this time, but this time we're going to outline, trace, and then click on line art. So it says reduce bitmap, so let's reduce the bitmap so that it doesn't have too much size. So you're going to come over here to set some things up. So it's loading, you can see it cropping out the background over here. So let's see how it crops it. So as you can see, it's not that neat. Yes, you can see some of the background. So I'm going to click on this remove color from entire image. So and you can also come over here and set some things up while you look on the changes. So the details also, you can adjust it, tweak it. So adjusting it to get the perfect clean signature. So I think this is okay. So we'll just come over here and click OK. So look at what we have. The signature is right on top of this one, so we can remove it and delete this one. So that's it. So these are the two methods you can use to get signatures appended to your ID card, letterhead, letters, and designs or certificates. So and it's very simple. But the first method I think is more effective than the second, and that is it. So this is a very efficient and easy way, I think. So what do you think about this method? Drop a comment on the comment section, and if you like the video, drop a like, subscribe, and get more tips and videos from us. Catch you on the next one. Bye.